Welcome back. Now news from sports. 3 months after being crowned kings of Indian club football for the 5th time, Dempo Sports Club have hit the training ground gearing up for the 2012-13 season. But the search for a striker to fill talisman Ranti Martins' shoes is proving a tough bet due to budget cutdowns. Coach Armando says the players are not up to the mark physically because they have not done much in the off-season. Dempo have been a buzz in the off-season mainly for their off-field tie-up news, but ground realities have gotten tougher for the defending I-League champions for this season.
Monsoon conditions in the last 48 hours have been such that the ideal place one would want to be is tucked in the bed. But for the Dempo lads, come rain, come shine, it's the business of football they are cozy with. Defensive main man Mahesh Gowli picked up an injury and missed practice on Wednesday. Jokia Branches too was not seen in action. Godwin Franco is on trials in Germany, while Romeo Fernandes is on a holy pilgrimage. But apart from them, all the other big guns like Clifford Miranda, Samir Naik and co were very much present. Wednesday marks day 3 of pre-season training and Armando is not yet impressed.
But I've seen they're not up to the mark because probably most of them never worked during the off-season. At the end of the last game I told them that go and get yourselves involved in swimming, cycling, table tennis, badminton. Keep yourselves fit. Forget about football, but keep yourselves fit. But on the first day, today is the 3rd day, but on the first day on Monday was really difficult. Players were not up to the mark, but they're gradually coming. I have to also be patient. The main thing for me is I've got the nucleus of my team. The main players are there. Maybe 2 players or foreign players already got, Coco and Sweka.
There is an acid test of a different kind amidst Dempo's training. 4 Iranian players are knocking on the club's doors and coach Armando is keeping hope alive for them.
You see, I am a most approachable person. If anybody comes to me, I never say no. Because when I was a child, I was given opportunity to express myself. And so also I want anybody who comes to me, I want them to give an opportunity to express themselves. So when the Iranians came and approached me, I said, why don't you come for practice? So let me see.
Are you impressed with them?
One of them is. But then in the range, in the way they play, one day you can't know, no coach in the world will be able to judge them. So I told them, I would love to have a longer look at you. Okay. Maybe I can find one hidden talent.
Skimmed budgets at Dempo Sports Club means the hunt for Ranti Martins' replacement could be a tougher task than envisaged initially.
There are many, but the amount which they have been asking, we cannot. You know, Dempo's have cut down the budget and the amount of money they've been asking, some of them is, we don't. It's not that we can't afford, but we must be realistic. But there will be another 3 or 4 coming for trials, and from there, I mean, maybe I may find another entry in the making.
Okay. From Talegaon, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Spain's talisman to success for 6 years running is quite simple if you see it. Majority of the starting 11 play for one club, that's Barcelona. Germany too do well internationally as almost 7 players play together at Bayern Munich. Pylon Arrows was set up by AIFF with a similar funder, but clubs are not keen on releasing their youngsters to Pylon. Yours India defender feels this will hamper growth of Indian football as he strongly believes it is better if majority national players are from one club. A proof to this fact is strong show in the recently concluded AFC Under-22 Asian Championship qualifiers.
Pylon Arrows is a football club founded in 2010 which was owned and managed by the All India Football Federation and Pylon Group. The club was set up in order to provide regular first-team playing opportunities to youngsters and with a target of qualifying for the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Pylon Arrows were given direct entry to play in India's top division I-League after Mahindra United disbanded. But clubs are not that open to release their youngsters to Pylon.
First year, when the team was formed, we had players like Raju Gaikwad and all, JJ, Dika. That time we were playing like quite good. But then in the second year, when players left, when the clubs didn't release their players, it was like like totally different because new players coming in again. Cause you're talking about the previous season, right? Like we couldn't score goals. The same thing because we had like new players coming in. JJ left. JJ was the top scorer the previous year. Most of the players left, so it was like very difficult for us. Even the coach was changed. So you can't when your seniors go, it's very difficult for the juniors, to cope up with the I-League team.
I feel the whole pylon arrows concept is wrong in that way, or it's correct, but the players need to stay for a longer time. If you like you just now said, JJ and Dika should have stayed there for a longer time. Clubs also should be more open to the idea to keep their players to be loaned out at least to pylon for a longer time.
If you want to develop football in India, that's the only thing you got to do. That's the only thing the clubs should do, because they should release players for a purpose. Like if you because our team Pailan, the same team plays for India, so it's good. Like when you have players, when you have a set of players which plays for club and then which plays for the country, it's like obviously the combination will be good between the players, and they'll be knowing each other. Each other's game. So it's going to be very effective while playing against other countries also. As it is now, we played we played the same, like under 22. We went there. We played with the same team which was there for Pailan, and we performed very well.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Panji.
First Bollywood star Rajesh Khanna breathed his last on Wednesday. A day after being discharged from the hospital, Rajesh Khanna's health deteriorated again, following which he was put on ventilator. He acted in 163 films and won 3 Filmfare Awards for Best Acting. The 69-year-old legend will be cremated at 11 a.m. on Thursday. Bollywood is mourning the legend's death. We pay tributes to the first Bollywood star.
चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में धड़कते दिल ना होता है मस्ताना होता है हर खुशी से हर गम से ओ छोड़ो
फैंस क्या होते हैं मुझसे पूछो प्यार का वो तूफान मोहब्बत की वो आंधी वो जज्बा वो जुनून हवा बदल सकती है लेकिन फैंस हमेशा मेरे रहेंगे बाबू मोशाय मेरे फैंस मुझसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.